Well, hello everybody. It is Tuesday, May the 5th, Cinco de Mayo. I'm Lindsay Duff and this is Responsible Day Trading. I'm excited about the tacos that I'm having tonight because they're from a friend who does competitive barbecuing. They're gonna be some good tacos. I'm not thinking about tacos. Alright guys, I've done my meditation, I've done some breathing. I'm ready for whatever today has to throw at us. Let's go check it out. Let's look at the daily chart. So these are the type of things that you usually anticipate with something like this. Kind of weaker EMAs, it's snapped back, but it hasn't followed through right at that bottom Bollinger Band reversal bar, pulling back. So are we going to make some sort of head and shoulders for this to go down? Or is this just going to work its way back up here? These may be flat and weak and get back above. I don't know. I try and watch what's happening in the current moment to follow along with that. So, yeah, hold on a sec. So you're just trying to take it from the area. Let it do its thing. Still pushing up. So give me a tiny little bar on the 1597. Give this one opportunity. Okay, 2 ticks right above this little spot, which is where it should be. I'm going to take this first one out at 1.25. Give this a shot. Okay. It may come up higher though. It's leading a lot higher here. I won't be hitting the close button. Yep, there we go. Pay attention. Showing strength but getting white BBs. There we go. Break even. These BBs are turning white, but they're still angled up. Okay, there we go. Right, and these. Here's the defining moment. It may pull all the way back into here and see something, but we'll watch here. Still got a lot of strength here, even though it's at the 0 line, and that is the weakest of weak pullbacks. To make yourself feel better, take a point. That's why you got 2 contracts. This is getting me a little bit, okay? I think we're going to hit close here. Close. I don't care. I don't care if it comes back, pops up, goes. Close, 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 close. There we go. What is going on? I'm hitting close. What? Okay. I must have hit reverse. I must have hit the reverse button instead of close. What in the world? Looking at my 610, I've got a reversal bar leading lower. We're pulling really far away. BB's starting to get white. Another reversal bar potential. It's that fake feel of going to the upside as we're reaching that top Bollinger Band. I'm really frustrated with today. Well, let's see what happened. I gotta take this music out of my ears. Okay, so let's talk about this. Ugh. 21 trades, which is 10 and a half trades. Only 8 were intentional. But it is what it is, right? We just gotta go with that is what happened. So that would make plus 9.75 points. I don't know if you can see, but my face is very flushed. Okay. It was one of those days. I probably needed a punching bag. I'm probably gonna need one. I think I'm gonna have to go for a walk. I feel my blood boiling. I feel that frustration, and I kept trading after that. I feel like it wasn't my fault that I got those trades, but in the long run, it was, because I'm the one that pressed the trigger. The There were a lot of trades that I couldn't get into today. There was a lot of things that I tried to get into and I couldn't get it to pick me up. So this is an hour and 45 minutes long. This video is going to be in the vault today. But right now, I think I'm just going to step away. I'm going to take a breath. I'm going to woo-saw as much as I can because this brain is on fire right now. And I don't want to take it out on anybody. I don't want to take it out on myself. I just need to go and breathe and say, Lindsay, that is what is. You know, it could have been way worse. It could have been moving so fast that it just, because when I hit the exit button, thank goodness that it was not moving fast, because that would have been so hard. God, it almost makes me tear up thinking about, like, because I had no target, no stop in there. So if it had been pushing real hard when I was clicking that button so fast, then it could have wiped out a lot of things. And you know what I don't have today? Let's grab an intention card. Tomorrow, you will be unstoppable. That's today's. Okay. Okay, I'll take it. I will take it. I'm just going to take a breather. I'm going to get this ready for everybody. I mean, at this point, I was so mad that all I can do is laugh. Now, I don't know if you can hear it in my voice because I try not to let people know when I'm really frustrated, but I was mad. So, and really at that point, I should have just put things away. But I was like, oh, hell no, you're not going to do me like that. Well, it is Cinco de Mayo. It is Taco Tuesday. And I'm going to eat some tacos tonight. And I may have a margarita. I may not, because they give me heartburn. So I hope everybody has a fabulous Tuesday. And as always, guys, you know I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.